Right, hello guys, welcome back to today's video. I don't remember where I started it from, so we're just going to keep going. Did I show you that? I might have. So, I've got the Clash Chopper here, I think you've seen that, and I've got a muck spreader. There has been some changes since the last farm tour video. Well, ignore these Fords and John Deeres and stuff because they're just going to be for a new video that's coming up soon. I will be doing chopping, but stop motion, but I haven't got round to it yet. I might as well tell you what they are, so here we go. Here we have a Ford 8630 Power Shift, a Power Farm Britain's TW35, very rare. I'll just show you. It's good, isn't it? And it has a muck spreader that can spread the muck out. I just put pieces of paper in and do. Here I have my Clash Jaguar 690. I think I showed you that in the last video. And then we got the John Deere 3140 and the Lincoln Cultivator. You don't see that very often because I don't really use it, but because I have the remote control one that I'm going to show you sooner or later, and probably will get another tractor that can pull it. So here I've got the Ford 6600, and I've got TW20 here from Britain's, made it new. Kumower, Britain's Plough, Manitou, Land Rovers, John Deere 6920S. If you're wondering where some of these crates are going, they're over there. I don't really know what I was doing with that. Just ignore all this. This is what my sister's been doing to help the farm. Like our slurry lagoon over there now. Yes, we have a slurry lagoon. So here are sheep. Bear. Got some corn. I keep tipping them over by accident. Got a Massey Ferguson. Can't read the number. Oh. 894. Think so. And have I showed you the Kuhn hedge cutter and Valtra? I might have. Good tractor. Model forklift this is very old, made years ago, because it's my dad's, and my dad's stuff. It's mostly not here, but a lot of it is. I just tried to keep it safe because if you don't know, Britain stuff is going up in price. Is a Manitou Bobcat 330V. Got it for 15 quid. I thought that was quite a bargain. And it fits all onto the CQ tractors, loaders and attachments and everything. Got all of them. This is an old Britain's trailer, and you can see it can only go on old Britain's tractors, so I've made this Lego linkage. And it goes on there. And if you just look, oh God, I can't really do it when I'm on camera. I'll probably show you another day because I can't hold the camera and everything. I'll do it again when I have some help. So yeah, so I made this linkage thing. Oh God, I lost a bit now. Yeah, I got them. And I've got my cattle trailer and trailer portally. I don't know why that's here. This, I forgot what you call it. Thingy, my bob, fertilizer spreader, snowplow, gritter, Class forklift. Got a load of other things I did off eBay for £12. I got this as well. This is now worth £25, so what a bargain that was. Probably only one of the bargains I've ever had. Oh, just ignore this. This is my sister's. It's just pain. In here we have the cultivator, the RC cultivator that I put on my limited edition black, what's the name? And then that's the John Deere, same as the one we saw a minute ago. I've got JCB telehandler. If you go back onto my very first videos, I have done a stop motion one. That's when I just started stop motion. It was my first ever stop motion one. I hope you liked it. Oh God, it won't go back on. Grab won't go back on. So yeah, that's just my bales. Don't ignore that. That's what's just come off. Some of you might have never seen this chopper before. Some of you might have because there's never seen another one for sale. John Deere 8600i chopper. Its headers are in that shed there. So yeah, we have that. Oh, just ignore that. That's all my scrap tractors and everything. Please ignore that. And I've got a sprayer. Bet I've had this years. Can't remember how long, but I've had it a long time. I think I've had it since I was 2 or 3. And then I've got a load of old Britain stuff that I'll show you another day because I don't really want to, because it's a bit of a pain. There's loads of it and there's lots to talk about. This is my toe chopper. I've made this out of 2 ones because, as you can see, hello chopper, another chopper there. Yeah, it's broken. I've just fixed it really. So if anything ever goes wrong, we can just use these bits. Oh yeah, Slow Lagoon. Cows, they're definitely not dead, they're sleeping. And that's my feed wagon and the scraper tractor. I'm thinking of getting the 80 cow cubicle shed from Brushwood Toys soon, I think. And I'm going to do a video on building that if I ever get it. And we're going to get the sorting pen for this. Just go on it here. Well, oh, sorry, slowly Lagoon. Break the slowly Lagoon. And you'll see that muck hole has disappeared. So yeah, I think that's this side done. We're moving on. I don't know if I've ever showed you this. Oh yeah, I did a short on the solar panels, but no one really watched it. This is my rotary parlour. Ignore the rubbish. It's my sister. And there we have the tankers collecting the milk. I have a sheeted up silage pit. Probably going to unsheet it for my next video because it's loose silage. Oh, that's just cow dung that I've put in there. In the muck hole. And I have my JCB 435S. I had it quite a long time. Very nice thing. I think that's all my farm. So tell me guys in the comments what you want to see next on my farm. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like. Hope you love my videos. And I seriously want to say a big thank you for all my subscribers, my supporters who comment on my videos and be nice. Because I love you. I love your videos as well, whoever you are. And I will do some more RC tractor videos if you want to see that. And I will do a couple more stop motion ones. They just take a while to edit. And at the moment, I don't really have that much time as I'm back to school and everything. But I could probably do it on the bus. It's just taking the pictures though. Thanks for watching. See you in a bit. Bye.